welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura, and today I am going to do a page in my dog journal. It is Myla'S birthday. It was just passed. She just turned 1 year old on April 22nd. So I have these photos that they took from what camp. She was at camp that day. And these are her 1 year old photos, and this is when we first got her and picked her out. So that was when she was 8 weeks old. So this is Myla, 1 year old, and I printed this on my selfie, Canon selfie, and I'm going to cut this up and include this in my book. And today, while I was out at a thrift store, I found this adorable card. It says happy birthday, and I like how it has like sort of like a husky on there. So I got this card. It says happy birthday, wishing you all the happiness your birthday can hold. And then it comes with this envelope that has confetti on it. It also says happy birthday. So I want to include this in my junk journal. So I have not done any pages in this thing yet. So this will be my first page in here. And the way I made this little tassel is it comes off. So I'm going to unclip it so I could work in the book. And then this is going to unravel. So I'm going to pick a page out of here, and I was debating if I should go in order or not in order, and I'm just going to pick a page. I kind of thought about it, and I already know which page I'm going to be doing. So in here I have this little tabby thing here. So I'm going to pull that out and work on that. It actually is a little page that I made, like a slow stitch thing that I made in 2021 that I included inside the book. So I am going to actually attach everything to this thing and then put it back into the book. So that's what we're going to work on today. So the way I'm going to do this is first I'm going to cut up the pictures. So on a Canon selfie, you have to punch these things off, tear them off here. And then I will cut up the picture. And of course, I don't have my regular scissors, so I'm going to use these tiny scissors that are sitting here. And I'm just going to cut this into 4, so I have 4 pictures. So these 3 pictures was from puppy camp that they took. They actually got the hat on her head, which is really cool. It's actually on one of her ears. And this is when she was a baby, when we first got her. So we're going to put that in there. And what I wanted to do was attach this to this. So I'm going to glue it to here. And then I was going to put the pocket. So I'm just going to use regular tape here. And I'm going to attach that to the card. Hopefully this will work. And attach this to the card and try to center it. I'm hoping this works. If I put this on here, actually I should have sewn it, but all right, so we're just going to stick this on here. So that is that. I want to be able to put it back into the book. All right, so then I got this. It flips open, and I have it stuck to there. And now this envelope is too big for my book. If I shove it in here, it actually sticks out of the book, and I don't know if I like that. Let's see. We can fold it. I want to fold it so I could put stuff still in it. Can I do that? Okay, if I fold it like that, this doesn't pop open. Okay, so I glued the inside of the envelope in the inside. I folded the envelope in half. I am going to glue it to the end of the card like this. This way I have a pocket here and a pocket here. So let's do that. Okay, and then we're gonna glue this side and this. Okay, so we're gonna glue that, wrap this around the card. Gonna do it to the top, no, to the bottom. Okay, so I glued that down. I have a pocket here now. I have a pocket here. I don't know why I'm gonna put it in it, but I'm gonna put her baby picture over here. Glue that down. I could still have a pocket there. Her baby picture is gonna go here. So I still had the pocket. It says happy. I have a pocket on this side. Okay, and then on this side, I'm going to cover this with the ribbon and cut it off. Let's cut it off here. And I'm going to cover the bottom here like that. And then I'm going to put her picture. 1, 2, and there you go. And now I got it covered. Oh, I got the hat. That's pretty cool. I got the hat. That I didn't plan. So look, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna glue that like that. You can see the hat there. That's neat. Okay, I got that. Then I'm gonna glue this one down here. I'm gonna glue this on the top. Okay, I have to put the date. Okay, let me go get my date stamp. Okay, her birthday was April 22nd. So I'm going to stamp April 22nd on the bottom here. So there you go. And now I want a big number 1 somewhere on the page. So let me go grab something. Okay, so I tried to big shot a number 1, but it didn't cut out of my ribbon. So I could see the line, and I'm just going to cut it out. So I did have a 1 here. You could see it a little bit here. Somehow, I don't think I used the right plate or whatever, but it didn't want to cut out of the ribbon. So I do have an indent though. So I'm just going to fussy cut it out. And this way I have a number 1. And we're going to throw all this other out. And I have a 1. So either I'm going to stick it here. Or I'm going to stick it over here. No, it's going to stick out of the page. And I don't want to put it here because she's not 1 here. I think the best place to put it is over here. All right, so I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to use a black marker to outline it, or red. Maybe green, red. It doesn't stand out. It needs to be outlined. Do I use red, blue, Maybe I'll use a pinkish color like this color. So a pinkish color. Let's just see that color. This color, that's more pink. I like the reddish color. All right, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to outline. Hopefully it works. I'm going to test it first because I don't want to ruin the page. Let's test it. Yeah, that's dark enough. All right, so I'm going to just outline it so it stands out more. Hopefully that works. All right, I think that works. Okay, so I'm going to use index cards because they fit nicely inside the pockets, which is cool. So I can put one index card here and one index card here, and I'm going to decorate the index card and journal. So today I got some magazines, and in the magazines I found a thing that I wanted to do. I have a story with every step, and I also have these 13 reasons why. So I am going to cut out the 13 reasons why. Also, there's a number 1 here, which is really cool. I could use that. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to decorate, and I also have the matching ribbon, which I'm going to use to decorate these cards. So the one side with the lines I'm going to use for journaling, and this side I'm going to decorate. So I want to use the 13 reasons why, and I also want to use the 1. So I'm going to cut that out of the magazine. And I also want to use the 13 reasons why. Not because it's the TV show, but just I'm going to journal 13 reasons why we kept Myla. All right, so I thought that was pretty cool. So 13 reasons why. I'm going to keep the number 1 because it's her birthday. So I'm going to keep the number 1. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but that's that. Okay, so I want to put this down, and then I want to put, if I can, glue this on top. 13 reasons why. That would be cute. Okay, so let me go. I think I'm going to sew this down in the middle. I'm going to sew this down in the middle, and I'll be back. Okay, so I sewn down the middle of the ribbon on both of these cards. I'm going to put 13 reasons why on this one. Okay, and I'm going to just use my regular glue. I hope it sticks to the ribbon. All right, so we're going to stick that there, 13 reasons why. And then number 1, I think I'm going to put it on this one. Okay, so number 1's going to go here. And I don't know what I'm going to journal about that yet. But 13 reasons why we kept Myla. Okay, so number 1. She's cute. Number 2. She has big, beautiful blue eyes. Number 3. You spell dog backwards. You get God. Number 4. I prayed for a better dog. Number 5, she learned to kiss for cookies. Number 6, she is Evan's dog. Number 7, she had 5 trainers. Number 8, she is destructive yet very cute. Number 9, she grew quickly even though she's a picky eater. Number 10, puppy camp saved our sanity. Number 11, she still does not get along with Daisy, but we continue to try. Number 12, she follows me around the house. And number 13, she is a constant challenge that we will not give up on. So that's it, 13 reasons why. I filled out the whole card. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's going to go in one of the pockets in the card. So put 13 reasons why here and stick that in the pocket. That's pretty neat. And I forgot to put today's date on it. So I wrote this on 4/20. What is today's date? Oh, yeah, stupid watch. All right, 4/20. I think it's the 8th or the 9th. 28, 22. All right, so put that in there. Okay, my second journaling card, I put number 1 story. And on the back, I wrote, our biggest problem with Myla was her biting. She uses her mouth a lot and her teeth hurts. It's gotten better, but in the past, she would make bruises on my arms. I've learned to ask for kisses, and in return, she gets cookies or treats. Now I'm going to stick this card in this pocket here. Okay, so that's that. Okay, it's a little like white, too much white space here. I think I'm going to add this ribbon here. And I'm just going to glue that on and cut it off here. So it's not so much white space. I'm just going to use my regular Tombow thing and glue the ribbon on. And we're going to put that right here. Okay, and then on the back, I'm going to put another piece of ribbon here and cut that off and glue that down. I screwed up a little bit here. Let's cut that off. Okay, so that's cut off. Okay, so that's that. That looks good. And I also I just sewed on a little piece of ribbon over here to make a tab, so I know that this is her birthday page, and that's how it came out. So yeah, so now I'm gonna stick this back into the book. And remember where it was. I should have marked it. I think it was in here. So let's see how easy it is to get this back into the book. So I'm going to shove this underneath. And I think that I'm going to go with the other way. I'm going to shove this side in. And it goes here. All right, so let's make sure that the pages turn. All right, so here we go. So I skipped that and I stuck it in here. And make sure the pages all turn. And I'm getting it in the hammer. And that's it. So, and the pockets come out. And the pockets come out. So there you go. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, using a card and adding a card into a journal. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.